All right. Next PLLs. There's 4. Swap one set of corners diagonally. That's your V perm, Y perm, NA perm, and NB perm. N perms are the worst. They're the rarest. Well, individually they're the rarest. Both you have a 1 out of 72 chance. So 2 out of 72 chance, or 1 out of 36 to get one of the V perms. Which the only other 2 that are 1 in 36 are Z perm and E perm. Okay, actually H perm is the rarest. 1 out of 72. If that makes sense. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, anyway. V perm. I do my V perm rotationless. Looks like this. Oh shit. It does not look like that. That's not a V perm. But I'm gonna be relearning that because I need to learn pseudo slotting as well. Relearn that. Like keyhole. Keyhole is really nice. Okay. So anyway, V perm. I was gonna say there should be 2. Okay. Oh wait. There's some really cool finger trips for this V perm. So it's like this, and then regrab. Ah shit. Damn, what the hell? It's so weird how muscle memory can be so weird. Like if you think too much about it, sometimes it can really fuck you over. Left center, and then I know what this is. I'm just thinking. No, it's this way. I like the U perms for M slices because it's consistent. There we go. I honestly really love V perms. A lot of people don't, but I think it's a really fun alg, and I love the way it looks. It's any alg that uses B moves is really fun, in my opinion, and looks just extremely cool. It's so cool. I love cubing. I completely forgot. This is one of the. For some reason, I just maintained this alg. I don't know how. But looking at it, somehow I fucked it up. Looking at it algorithmically, I was lost. I had no idea what the fuck was going on. I just got an H perm. Okay. Fuck. Let's get it up here. I just got a wiper. Oh, I do know wiper. I just did it. Okay, anyway. Oh, what am I doing? Just gonna scramble it. Oh shit. Wow, this is such a horrible stuff. No, I fucked the anti-sin up. I don't know why I always fuck it up. Got an F perm, my favorite. Oh, the nice thing about F perm too is sometimes you don't have to do an AUF at the end. Anyway. There we go. Just very gentle touch. It works very, very nicely. Horse is going crazy back there. Okay. That's V perm and then Y perm. I don't know how I just did it. Huh. Holy shit. It feels so weird just to... But I need to see it. I really love the way this one looks too. Y perm. It's really pretty. Pretty easy to recognize too. I love V and Y perms. I really do. Yeah. Pseudo slotting for F2L is the thing I need to relearn. As while I use like head slammer and wedge slammer. Oops. For things like inserting the last pair if needed. To avoid dot cases. I think that pseudo slotting in general is the way to go. Shit. Like I said, I need to see it. I'm not looking at it. Ah, there we go. It's like I'm fucking up a very specific part of the elk. I just don't really comprehend. Okay, so one of the end perms is actually really fun because it's You do you do RU R prime U, and then you do JB perm, and then you do U2 RU prime R prime. Oh shit. Fuck that up. Oh, but somehow okay. That's so weird. Why do I keep doing that? I did the exact same thing. So alright, wait, so JP perm, I'm done. JP perm. Just practicing it because they need it. Alright, so wow, how did I fuck that up? That is gonna be the theme of the series, is how did I fuck that up? So, we got a J apron. Okay. Okay, so alright. So now JB room. Okay. Kinda crazy. I don't know if the NB perm is any better, but I don't know. Well, I mean, it won't, because this is such a great alg. Because it's literally got the easiest alg in the middle of it. Not the easiest, H perm's the easiest. But you get the idea. Yeah, I knew that I fucked that up. Okay. Okay. Again, it's gonna take a while to get used to all these ago. Ah. Even the ones that I've already learned. Like that's still a U perm that I just recently learned, and I think it's gonna be fine. And one more time for this improve. like a full cycle, you know. Okay, NB perm actually doesn't look horrible. I don't remember. I don't really remember that. Hold on, give me a second. Okay, I relearned that it's not easy. I would do the regripless. Looks like this. Well, regripless from the beginning. It does have a regrip in it, but anyway. This, I think, is the way I knew it. But the regrip is natural. So it's cool. It's cool. It's just hard. So kind of weird. Kind of clunky. But it makes it easy to remember because it's clunky, though. You know what I mean? Yeah. I'm pretty sure you have to do that because otherwise. Oh, no, you don't. Okay, cool. You have to just do it like that. Okay, so no regrets. And you end in home grip too. That's nice. So it's almost a rotation at that point, but not. That's definitely how I did it in the past. Ah. Okay. Okay. No. What is that? One more time. How do I always make that mistake with anti-sin? Oh my god. I just don't understand anti-sin. Whatever. Oh, it's because I don't have my pair soft. Sweet. I just RB perm. All right. How do I keep doing that? It's so weird when it's the same mistake. Now, the regrip, I want to do the regrip, but then. This makes sense. Yeah. Keep making that mistake. I don't know how it keeps happening. Like, I don't understand, like, what's logically going on. What the fuck? It keeps happening over and over. I just got enough perm. Okay. Okay. Perfect. NB perm. I'm done. I'm done for the night. I'll do G perms tomorrow. Thank you.